Well, welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. My name's Mike Sanders, and today's episode is about shrimp and grits. Who doesn't like a good old New Orleans shrimp and grits recipe? Well, guess what? You don't need a lot of ingredients, and this is going to be really quick and easy, and that's what we're after, right? So let me just introduce you to some of the ingredients. So we have olive oil, some butter, onions, garlic, some flour, some green onion tops. The green onion bottoms are in the onion mixture. We have some Frank Davis barbecue shrimp seasoning, a little shrimp stock, which we showed you how to make, some cream, a little splash of white wine, and the star of the show is some peeled shrimp. So let's get started making some shrimp and grits. We have our butter melting. I'm going to add in just a splash of olive oil, not much. We're going to let it get nice and hot. We're going to add in some onion. That's about all we need. And some garlic. That's only one toe of garlic. That was a big garlic. And we're just going to saute that for a couple of minutes. And while that's sauteing, I want to show you something. I just want to thank my good friend Joanne Karimi for making our aprons. Pam and I love our aprons. It's got our name on it. It's got the beautiful fleur-de-lis, which is kind of a New Orleans thing. And thank you, Joanne. And Daryl, you're a sweetheart too. We really love you guys. Back to the shrimp and grits. So the onions and garlic are sauteing down nicely, and it's time to add in our shrimp. Stir those around a little bit, just a little bit, and then we're going to add in our Frank Davis barbecue shrimp seasoning. By the way, I cooked with Frank on WWL-TV. He was their resident chef for over 30 years and taught me a lot, believe me. So anyway, we're just going to saute these shrimp just until the shrimp get a little pink on the outside and a little white on the inside. So that may take a minute or two. Let's just let them cook. Oh, the shrimp are cooking nicely. Just add a splash of white wine. See that sauce starting to form? That's what we're looking for. So the shrimp are starting to turn pink on the outside, starting to turn white on the inside. And now we're going to add in a little flour. This is about a tablespoon there. Throw it in there. There you go. Mix that in well. Incorporate the flour into the shrimp. You'll notice all of that liquid is now being absorbed. That's what we wanted. Yay. All right. Next thing is, I'm going to go in with a little shrimp stock. Turn the fire up. Look at that, how nice. Starting to thicken up nicely. Shrimp are cooking nicely. Turn that fire down a touch. Add in a splash of cream, not much. Can you see that? Look how pretty that is. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And your shrimp sauce is done. And let's put it together. It smells so good in here. The shrimp are finished. We already cooked the grits. We used Aunt Jemima. Takes about 15 to 20 minutes. All we did was add a couple of slices of American cheese, some butter, a little cream. I'll put all the instructions in the description. So here we go. I get to use my new au gratin plate. Yay. And we're going to serve it up right in front of you. And there's the grits. Get my spoon over here. There's the shrimp. Wow, that's about 2 servings. We put that over there. And we're going to garnish that with a little green onion. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that beautiful? It smells so good too. Let's dig in. Wow. Amazing. Well, if you haven't tried this recipe yet, it's really too easy not to, right? So we hope you enjoyed this recipe today. It's a delicious appetizer, or make a meal out of it, your choice. But thank you guys so much for coming back to our kitchen, the Sanders Kitchen, where Pam today is behind the camera. And you know, we'll keep switching around like that depending on what we're cooking. But we really enjoyed having you guys in the kitchen with us today. And listen, if you really like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell, because that will tell you as soon as we come out with new videos, and we do every week, maybe twice. But thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoy the shrimp and grits. If you do, let me know about it, okay? I'll have all the ingredients, by the way, in the description. Have a great day. Thank you for tuning into the Sanders Kitchen, and God bless.